Watch carefully. This is not a commercial soft drink. This is a completely homemade probiotic lemonade soda. And look at the natural carbonation. Welcome to Brewnourish. Today, I am making a refreshing probiotic lemonade soda at home using a fermented ginger bug, packed with natural goodness, vitamins and healthy probiotics. Just look at these tiny sparkling bubbles forming already. This is real natural carbonation happening right in your kitchen. And trust me, the final soda tastes absolutely amazing. To make this homemade lemonade soda, first we need a fermentation starter called a ginger bug. I have already shown how to make ginger bug in many of my previous videos, so I will share the link here where you can easily learn how to make it at home. The ginger bug can be used to make almost any homemade food soda naturally. Today I am making a refreshing lemonade soda perfect for hot summer days using lemon, cucumber and ginger. First of all, take a sterilized bottle with a small mouth. This helps make the bottle airtight more easily. Now I am extracting the fresh lemon juice like this. And once I am done, I will be pouring it directly into the bottle. Adding grated cucumber into a narrow bottle can sometimes be tricky, so I use this funnel to make the process much easier. You can also use only cucumber juice if you want to avoid the fiber. But personally, I love these tiny cucumber pieces floating inside the drink. Next, I am adding the sugar through the funnel and using a little water to push everything properly into the bottle. Here, no fruit with heavy natural sugar is added, so I am using around 5% sugar for proper fermentation. And don't worry, once the soda is ready, it won't taste overly sugary because the ginger bug consumes most of the sugar during fermentation. Now, finally add around 30 ml of active ginger bug and fill the rest with water. One important thing to remember, if your ginger bug is not very active, you may not get good carbonation or fizz. Another very important thing, never fill the bottle completely. Always leave some empty space at the top so carbon dioxide can build up safely during the fermentation. This helps prevent the bottle from bursting. Now, tighten the cap properly and give the bottle a good shake. A lot of people think you absolutely need flip-top bottles to make homemade soda. But today I am using a normal bottle with a tight screw cap, not a flip-top bottle, and following exactly the same process. Just make sure the cap is tightened properly. Honestly, if you are a beginner or feeling nervous about pressure build-up, normal screw cap bottles can actually feel safer than flip-top bottles. Flip-top bottles are great, but they do need proper care and attention. Now, let's leave the bottle at room temperature for around 2 days. After 2 days, look at this beautiful color change. The lemonade soda looks more vibrant, alive, and full of bubbles. Now, I will move the bottle into the refrigerator for another 2 days. And finally, today is day 5. The bottle spent 2 days fermenting at room temperature and 2 days chilling in the fridge. Now let's open them and see what happened. Always remember, open homemade soda only when it is cold. Never open it warm at room temperature. This helps reduce overflowing and makes it much safer. And always use a large bowl before opening. Look at that natural carbonation. The soda is literally gushing out because of all the pressure trapped inside the drink. That's real homemade natural soda. And the taste? Super refreshing, lightly tangy, fizzy, fresh, and absolutely delicious. Perfect for hot summer days. If you enjoyed this video and want more healthy homemade fermentation recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. And let me know what homemade soda flavor you want me to make next on Brewnourish. See you in the next video.